It's your motherfucking boy Zeke coming at your ass. Finna put some back shots on that motherfucker. And I'm playing with Jackie. Or just being a fucking dimwit. There was just a swarm of flies right there. I tried to film them, but my mom called me and said I didn't know you were outside. And then blah, blah, blah. Sorry, Mom, if you're watching this. Holy shit. I'm trying to make this girl work. I'm working out with this girl. Yes, my dog works out. Look at this. Fine beast. Training to get some prey. One time she got a dead squirrel and a dead bird in her mouth. 2 times, actually. Look at my gun. Put your hands up. There's children. Hey, kids. Shut up. Put your hands up, you motherfucking bitch. Blah, 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 blah. Want a stick? Want a stick? Here. We have a fucking stick to play with at least. I think Belly can throw this motherfucking thing. Give me the fucking stick. I'll juke your ass. I'll fucking break your ankle. I'll fucking break your ankles. Get your ankle. Get your ankle. Fucking break your ankles. Give me that fucking stick. Fetch. Now we're playing fetch. We're trying to play fetch. This one's more easier. That's the fucking thing. Give me the fucking toy. Give me the fucking juke. She fucking lost it. There's dozens of sticks though. I could turn this into a bull, like a slingshot or something. Whatever, I have slingshots. But if I just go get it. Shit! It's kind of shit at me. This is gonna be a disaster. I know one of these times I might throw it across the fence. 3, 2, 1. Scam, get scam, buddy. That's what you get. Well, I'm gonna stand on a bowl. My bowl now, bitch. That was not a fart. That was a sigh from me. What if I yell shut up? God, burn shit off. There you go. Look at that fucking brush. It's phenomenal. Oh, you found the other fucking stick, so I can just... Give me the fucking stick. Give me the damn stick. Give me the damn stick. Go get it! Come here. Bitch. Give me the fucking stick. Caroni from My Hero Academia. Go get it. Play dead. I would love to make her learn play dead. Get over here. Get over here. Now. Get over here. Get over here. Get your ass over here. Give me the goddamn stick. Give me the goddamn stick. Windy! Not Queaky at night, it's Squirky at night. Jackatron. Shout out to Jackatron. It's not Queaky at night, it's Squirky at night. They're from Meomathon, I think 3 or 2 or 4. They're even 4 Meomathons. I think I know the one where it puts Blue Lobster on the billboard in Ohio. He stamped his hamster on a billboard. I mean, not a billboard. He stamped a hamster on a van, and he drove around, and he also made a music video. Killed a fucking fly on my stomach, and then he donated to America. Donate to America, or else I'll kill you. You'll be assassinated. I know your every move. Just kidding. You're not gonna yell at what? How the fuck did you damn it! Get it! Come here! Come here! Come here! Get your ass over here! Get your ass over here! Get your ass over here now! So I can give you, so I can get the motherfucking stick, so I can play fetch deck. Go! You fucking see me. Can't blame her. Fucking. Where did it was fucking inches. Get it. Okay. Go. Give it. Fucking. Give me the fucking thing. Give me the fucking thing. Give me the fucking. Give me the fucking thing. Hell. For the star ass. Wait. I'll fucking swipe at your ass with this. And I don't play with my dog. Wait, I'm gonna scratch my back with it. Sorry, Jackie. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and yeah. Get it. Come here. Let me get it. This video is supposed to be 10 minutes. Hey, cicadas. Shut up. No. Distraction. Damn, I got fucking mosquito bites. I don't know if that's my back or the air. The fucking sky. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. What if I do a JoJo pose? JoJo pose. Am I fucking? What the hell? Okay. I'm almost to my limit of my filming, so I might go poof.